Hello students, welcome to my 29th video. Here in this video I am going to discuss with you the exercises given in the book in this chapter adjectives. Now we know there are plenty of exercises, so let us start. The first one given here is a warm-up exercise which you will complete yourself. The jumbled letters are given. You have to rearrange them to form adjectives. This you will complete yourself, and I hope that is going to be interesting too. Now next we see here exercise B. In the next page is given, fill in the blanks with the types of adjectives mentioned in the bracket. So what we see here, in each question the type of adjective is given. You have to use the fill up the blank with the kind of adjective given there. So interrogative adjective, we know which, what, whose are the interrogative adjectives. So here whatever is suitable we will fill that. So what we feel, which shirt do you like, is suitable here, so we will fill with that. Next, adjective of quality. Now adjective of quality, you can fill there any word, like cheerful girl, the graceful girl, the beautiful girl. So plenty, you can make you can write any word of your choice here. So many of the adjectives will be that kind only where you can fill up with more than one answer. Means there will be more than one answer and you can choose any one. Like John ate dash sandwiches yesterday. Adjective of number. See, we can write any number here, but of course it has to be a sensible sentence. Should not write 100 sandwiches. It won't make sense at all. So you have to see to that also. So what we will fill here, something that is sensible and logical, like John ate 2 sandwiches or 3 sandwiches or even 5 sandwiches. So a number which are logical you will fill up here. He has won dash competitions. Indefinite adjective. Indefinite adjectives are the adjectives that are used before the countable nouns, and they are indefinite, like many, more, much, few, little, all these. So what we feel, either few you can write here, he has won few competitions, he has won many competitions. So likewise you will complete the whole exercise. Now next, we have also completed this order of adjectives. Now the exercise on order of adjective is given here. We have 5 questions. 2 I will tell you, the rest you will complete yourself. Now order of adjective, you have to see the order given in the previous page, learn that, and then you will sit for doing this exercise. So what we see here, there are 3 adjectives given before the noun birds. First is large, 6, brown. Now that is in orderly placed. We have to make it in an order. So what will come first? The number, which is 6. Then the size, which is large here, and then the color. So it will be 6 large brown birds. You will be writing it down here in the line given, the space given. Next, let us see. There are 3 adjectives again given to describe the woman. Old, small, stooped woman. Stooped is the opinion about the woman. So here that will be placed first, then the size, and then the age. So this is how you will be completing this exercise. Now moving on, next we see exercise D, where you have to add suffixes to form adjectives from the given words. Like herb becomes herbal, wood becomes woody, prefer becomes preference, symbol becomes symbolic. So likewise you will complete this whole. I am not going to give all the answers. The rest you will complete yourself. Next, what we see, we have to form adjectives from the given words and then write sentences. So here, storm, stormy, joy, joyful. So you will make these, you will change these into adjectives and write sentences. So this is something you will complete yourself. After that, we have another set of exercises based under Let's Crack It. Here we see compound adjectives are given and we have to use them in our sentences. So that's something you will complete yourself. Then we have one exercise based on collocations. Collocations I have discussed in the video. So here only 5 questions are given and we have 2 words given inside the bracket. We have to choose which one is the appropriate to form the collocation. So see here, we received a warm or good welcome. Of course it is warm welcome. So that is how you have to do it. Only 5 questions are there, so I'm not going to discuss this. It looks very simple and easier, so I feel my students should be able to complete this themselves. Now moving on, we have let's perfect it. Under it what we see, the first exercise A, there is error in the use of the adjective. We have to rewrite the given sentence in the notebook using the correct adjective. So first we have to find out where the error is. Those sheet is new. See, sheet is singular, is singular. So this those is incorrectly placed. You will remove that and write down the correct adjective in its place. It will be that sheet because it is singular. Those is used for plural, right? So same way you will continue with the rest of the sentences given here. First you will point out the error and then you will correct it. Next we see exercise B. The order of adjectives, 2 options are given. We have to choose one. So this is, I think, should be easier for you. Like this, tasty big red or red tasty big. Now we know this tasty, which is opinion, then the size, then the color. So this looks more like this looks correct here, not this one. So likewise you will see the order and choose the correct option. Very easy exercise. Now next is exercise C. Here the words are given, the nouns are given in under column A, and under column B 2 adjectives are given describing the noun. You have to choose 2 adjectives for each noun here, which, like for church we can choose old and dilapidated. Dilapidated means something near to its collapse, and old and dilapidated, so that we can choose for church. So we have to also arrange it according to the correct order of adjectives. So this after you will select the 2 adjectives for each of the noun given here, then you will fill up this these sentences with those 2 adjectives that you have chosen for each of the noun here. So that is how it has to be done. Like see here, the dilapidated old church. Old is the age, dilapidated is the opinion about it. So the dilapidated old church has withstood many wars. Next one, students at the inter-school fest they were enthusiastic, right? And second word, you will choose yourself. So this is how it is going to it is going to be done. Next, let us see exercise D, forming adjectives from the given words. That is very simple. Danger becomes dangerous, trouble becomes troublesome. So this you will complete the next 3 yourself. Here in exercise E, we find some words are underlined. We have to find the antonyms of these underlined word and then write a new sentence using that antonym. Okay, so this is quite easy. Happy, sad, careful, careless, comfortable, uncomfortable. So likewise you will complete this and make sentences of your own. Here in exercise F, there are some words given here: care, possess, shock, home, and you have to add suffixes to form adjectives. Very simple: care, careful, possess, possessive. This you can make yourself adding suffixes. Next we have exercise G, where you have to underline the possessive adjective and the demonstrative adjectives in the sentence. I can't do this work. It's beyond my understanding. So here, I can't do this work. This is the demonstrative adjective, we know that. And it's is possessive here used. and even my understanding. My is also, it's beyond my understanding. So here, its is possessive and my understanding is possessive again. Okay, so this is how you will underline the adjectives and the possessive adjectives and the demonstrative adjectives. Next we have exercise H, in which errors are given in the sentence and you have to correct that. Let us see. First one is, he gave Oliver the littlest soup. This littlest, there is no such word. So what we will fill here? He gave Oliver a little soup. I would like to buy much shirts. What is the error? Of course, much is the error here. Shirts are countable. We will use many shirts or few shirts also you can write. He cares too many. What is wrong here? Many. So, what will be the replacement of that? He cares too much. So this is how you will complete. There are errors in each sentence and you will underline the error and then replace it in and write down again the sentence in your notebook. Next we see, make sentences with the following words. Man eating, man eating. The first one is a compound adjective, second one is a collocation. Without hyphen, it is collocation. With hyphen, it is compound adjective. So you will form sentences yourself. Next we have exercise J, in which the collocations have error and you have to correct that. Now we know collocations are such words which go together, which are always used together in speaking or writing. Let's see what is the error here. Thick rains lashed at the windows of the glass house. Now thick rains. We never use thick rains. Instead, we use heavy rain. That is the collocation we use. So here, the error is thick and correction will be heavy rains. Next, in the next sentence, let's see what is there. I feared another pure disaster would hit my town. So what we feel, this pure is the error here. Instead, there will be natural disaster. Natural disaster is also a collocation. So in the same way, in the rest 3 lines, there is an error in the collocation which you will point out yourself and write it down there in the blank. So here, I want my students to complete the work, those exercises which are having space here in the book itself, and exercises of these kind where there is no space given, you will complete in your notebook. So this is how it has to be done. And we also see there is one comprehension given. This is for you to practice. So this you will complete yourself and this is just for practice. So read this passage given and complete the question answers. So till here, this much for today. We will continue in the next video with the next lesson. So take care everybody. God bless you all.